Good afternoon, everybody. It's the end of the day, and I'm sure you're very tired and anxious to go out. So I will try to be as short as possible. First, I don't know if you have seen this slide before. We have obligation to show it inside Oracle, and it says that whatever I'm sharing with you is only informatic, and you shouldn't make any business decision based on the information that I'm presenting. So the presentation, what I'm trying to talk is not about what sort of visualization is using inside the product-centric industry. And it's not about how this visualization has been changing this industry. What I would like to concentrate is about the reality that this industry are facing, and what are their challenges, and how inside Oracle we have tried to address these challenges, and a little bit of peek into the future, which is something we are working on called context visualization. So, as everybody here, I think know, the product-centric industries are very collaborative, problem-solving kind of environment. There are different people from different industries working together to solve a problem and create the product. These peoples, they are, thanks to the globalization, they are from different parts of the world, from different organizations, different disciplines, and what is important for them is creating a differentiator, a very high quality products, and win the market against their competitors. And of course, obviously, they use lots of visualization in this process. So as part of Oracle, we are communicating a lot with our customers, which are from this industry. And what we are hearing from them is that the reality is there is no one sort of visualization that they are using. Well, they use different type of CADs, depends on the suppliers who is providing this visualization. Some of that depends on the phases. For example, in a very early in the design, there are just sketches, doodles. There can be even some textual that is explaining about the information. And then you go to the detailed design. It can be 3D, it can be 2D. Then if they want to communicate all this information to the outsiders, to the other companies, they change this visualization. Sometimes a 3D model reveals too much information, so they have to change it to 2D images, pictures, PDF documents, and so on. Also, another thing is that the system that they are using is fragmented. It's not, well, most of the people, they use PLM, Product Lifecycle Management, but it's when there are different disciplines, they are not using the same software system. And sometimes they only use content management system, nothing regulated. Sometimes they just put the files into and share it online on a folder together. Another problem that they are sharing is, yes, visualization is very important, but visualization itself, if it's not integrated into the business workflow, it doesn't have that type of value. So how they are using this visualization is very important. And also another problem is that the visualization and documents, the information that they need is not always inside visualization and documents. It's also sometimes is scattered around structured and unstructured data. Some of the information is inside a database, sometimes it's inside the documents, and sometimes it's inside a visualization of a 3D model. So the problem is how you can give all this information that is fragmented across the different type of data to the people in a very secure environment. What we have in Oracle is something called AutoView. Is a visualization solution. It's not about creating all this visualization. It's about integrating all this visualization to the workflows of asset-centric industry. So they can view different type of visualization. They can collaborate over this visualization. And we have we try to expose all this visualization to different workflow systems. And this is that kind of like an architectural way of where the visualization is inside the Oracle. So on the top, you will see that, on the bottom, you see that there are data repository. It can be a content management system such as SharePoints, Documentums, universal content management. It's sometimes it's inside the PLM system, and sometimes it's in the folder. Then you will have all these integration frameworks. Then you have all these discussions and collaboration frameworks. And then there are some files and folders that people are viewing and collaborating on. And all this information is going to be transferred and used inside the application layer, which are PLM, PPM, stands for Product Portfolio Management, ALM stands for Asset Lifecycle Management, CRM, Customer Relationship Management, and so on and so forth. What we are trying to solve, and our biggest differentiator is, well, we are format agnostic. We are trying to the user can use any type of the visualization, any type of the file, 2D, 3D, electronic files with AutoView. And we are open to all the standard-based platform. It's not just AutoView. Sometimes we are integrating with SAP and Oracle's PLM at the same time. It depends on which company is collaborating with which company. And also, we are trying to create an enterprise-ready solution. Inside the enterprise, everything is regulated. The IP is a big issue. So crashing a system or, I don't know, security is very important. So we are trying to address that one too. And most importantly, we are trying to connect all this visualization, all these images to the structured data so that people can use this visualization side by side by the information that is stored in the database and related to some business processes. Obviously, one thing that we are providing is a collaboration. So the users from different groups, they can add annotations and collaborate on the file. And all this annotation is a context-sensitive annotation. So basically, it can be one model that is used, for example, for collaborating within suppliers or inside collaboration. And based on where they are opening this file, the annotation that is related to that particular collaboration will be shown, so that the supplier won't be able to see the annotation and the communication that has been done within the company. Another things that we are providing is web services. So the web services is really about extracting this visualization and making it available inside the business processes. It can be searching through all this document data and giving the people what they need out of these visualizations. It can be providing a kind of like a thumbnails or preview of this visualization to different people, and also it can be printing or converting all this information to the form that the users need to see and to publish it. Something that it's very recently we are providing is called the intelligent visualization. The intelligent visualization is all around connecting the visual content to the business process. When the connection is done, for example, we are connecting all this part to inventory, for example, inventory management. So then we change all this visualization based on that information in the backend system, and we enable people to do some actions based on all this information, such as ordering the parts if it's not inside the inventory. And this is something that we are working on it. It's all about providing in-context visualization. We are visualizing not just the one document, but all the information, structure, unstructured, semi-structure, for the business process, for the people who are working on these business processes. And we are also enabling the holistic search for digital informations. Unfortunately, I cannot talk more about this solution because it's under the filing for patent, and we are developing it, but in a month or two, I can share with you if you are interested in such a solution. Thank you.
We have questions for Rozita. Questions?
I think this is a sign that we're truly coming up to the end of the day. Rozita, thank you very much.
Thank you.